So children, today we were discussing about the metals and non-metals, isn't it? In metals and non-metals, we studied the differences. Then, in the properties of metals, I told metals with oxygen gives what children? Metallic oxides. Metal plus oxygen gives metallic oxides. Metal plus hydrogen, what they gave, I said children? Metallic, metallic hydrates.
Hydride.
Hydrate.
Metal plus water, what they will give children? Metal
Metal
hydroxide.
hydroxide
Oxide
or
or metallic
metallic oxide
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 with
plus hydrogen.
hydrogen.
Metal plus acid gives what I said children?
salt plus water.
Hydrogen, salt plus hydrogen gas.
Oh,
How do you
yes.
guess presence of hydrogen gas? It puts off burning splitter making pot sound. How do you guess the hydrogen gas? It puts off burning splitter making pop sound.
Pop
How do you
sound.
test hydrogen gas? It puts off burning splitter making pop sound. It puts off burning splitter making pop sound. Now last reaction children, displacement reactions. What is meant by displacement reactions? Last reactions children, what are displacement reactions? Check children. What are displacement reactions means children? Displacement reactions are those reactions, okay, where, see children, let me know what are series we have: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver. These are the metals. What is this called children? What is this called anyone? Reactivity series. What is it
Reactivity
called
series,
children?
metal reactivity series.
What is meant by reactivity series? Anyone? What is meant by
Sir, any
reactivity?
most reactive metal will displace the other little less reactive metal, or they'll react more vigorously with water or steam.
Children, reactivity series means they are arranged in decreasing order of their reactivity. They are arranged in decreasing order of their reactivity. What is meant by reactivity series means children? Potassium is the most reactive among them. Silver is the least reactive. They are arranged in decreasing order of their reactivity. What is meant by reactivity series children? They are arranged in decreasing order of their reactivity. What is reactivity series anyone? They are arranged in, metals are arranged in
decreasing order of the
metals are arranged in decreasing order of their reactivity. Which is the most reactive? Potassium. Which is the least reactive? Silver.
Silver.
Potassium and silver. Now children, here one important concept I want to discuss. What is that concept means? More reactive metal. More reactive metal displays less reactive metal from their salts. Anyone understood this concept? More reactive metals displace less reactive metals from their salts.
Yes.
More reactive metals displace less reactive metals from their salts. Those who didn't understand this, again I am saying, upper metals displace lower metals from their salts. Children, upper metals displace lower metals from their salts. Upper metals displace lower metals from their salts. No, sir, we are not able to understand. If anyone say, I will show you, children. Suppose potassium is there. If I react potassium with sodium chloride, because potassium is above sodium, it can replace sodium and you will get KCl plus Na. But same reaction if I do Na with KCl, will the reaction occur? Will the reaction occur?
No, sir.
No. Why? Because sodium is less reactive than
Less
potassium.
reactivity than
It can't
potassium.
displace potassium. Potassium is more reactive than sodium. It can displace sodium. More reactive metal can displace less reactive metal from their salt. More reactive metal displace less reactive metal from their salt. More reactive metal displace less reactive metal from their salt. But less reactive cannot displace more reactive metal. So potassium can displace all metals. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Potassium can displace all metals.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
yeah. And now Vedant.
Yes, sir.
Sodium.
Sodium,
What about sodium?
sodium
Sodium
can displace any other metal except for potassium.
except potassium. Except potassium, it can displace
Any metal.
all metals.
All
How many
metals.
sounds? All metals below it. All metals below it.
Below it.
All metals below it. Pravanika, what about calcium?
All metals except potassium.
Except potassium and sodium. Except potassium and sodium, it can displace all metals below it. Below it. Okay, calcium. Harishkesh, what about magnesium?
Sir, magnesium can displace except potassium, sodium, and calcium, and it can displace all below it.
All metals below it.
Below.
Okay, Ragram, what about aluminium?
Aluminium can displace cannot displace magnesium, calcium, sodium, and potassium, and it can displace all other metals below it.
It can except this four, it can displace all below it. All below it. Surya, what about zinc?
Sir, it can displace, except the things above it, it can displace all other metals.
What are above it? Except
Except potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, and aluminium, it can displace everything.
all metals below it.
Yes.
All metals below it. Suju. Suju. Sujit. Nandika. Okay, children. So like this it happens. So you all understood. Surya can tell about iron. Can you tell about iron?
Sir, except potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, and zinc, it can displace all metals below it.
What about lead?
Except potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, and iron, it can displace all metals below it.
So upper metals displace lower metals from their source. Okay, children. Upper metals displace lower metals from their source, or more reactive metals displace less reactive metals from their source. Like this, you have to understand, children. I hope you all understood. One reaction we will do, children. Okay, we will do with any one metal. You select, children. We will do with that any one metal. Can anyone select any one metal? We will do with that reaction. Yes, children, select any one metal. Which
Sir,
metal you
we'll
want?
do potassium only, sir, from starting.
Potassium means it will displace all known, Anna. Let's do with magnesium, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so children, magnesium with KCl, magnesium with NaCl, magnesium with CaCl2, magnesium with MgCl2, magnesium with AlCl2 and AlCl3, magnesium with ZnCl2, magnesium with iron chloride, magnesium with lead chloride, magnesium with copper chloride. I want what are the products you will get. What are the products you will get? Okay, Vedant.
Yes, sir. Magnesium plus potassium chloride, it will not displace.
No reaction. This one.
No reaction, sir. It will not
This
displace.
here.
Calcium also will not displace, sir. Here already magnesium is there.
Here.
This it will displace, sir. MgCl3.
MgCl2 plus Al.
Al.
Rishikesh, what is the reaction here?
Sir, MgZn plus Cl. Sorry, MgCl2 plus Zn.
Raghuram, what is the reaction here?
MgCl2 plus Fe, sir.
Pravalika, what is the reaction here?
MgCl2 plus Pb.
Surya, what is the reaction here?
Sir, MgCl2 plus
Okay.
H.
2 chlorines, 3 chlorines. Children, let's make it even. Let's okay. Let's make it even. So 3 magnesiums, put here 3 magnesiums, 2 aluminiums, 2 aluminiums. 2 chlorines, 1 Mg, 1 Mg, 1 zinc, 1 zinc. 2 chlorine, 1 Mg, 1 Mg, 1 Fe, 1 Fe. 2 chlorine, 1 Mg, 1 Mg, 1 Pb, 1 Pb. 2 chlorine, 1 Cu, 1 Cu, 1 Mg, 1 Mg. Like this, children. So what is the main moral of the story, children? Upper metals displace lower metals from their source, or more reactive metals displace less reactive metals from their source. More reactive metals displace less reactive metals from their source. Upper metals can displace lower metals, but lower metals cannot displace upper metals from their source. This is reactivity, and this is called displacement. Can anyone say why this is called displacement? Because one ion is moving from one molecule to another molecule. See, children, one ion, you can see one ion. Who is that ion? Chloride ion. One ion is moving from one molecule to another molecule. One ion is moving from one molecule to another molecule. That's why it is called displacement. And mostly all the displacement reactions, many of the displacement reactions are, okay, children, many displacement reactions occur between the metals and salts only, children. One metals and salts, even metal plus acid also it can occur, children, no problem. But one ion moves from one molecule to another molecule. One ion moves from one molecule to another molecule. One ion moves from one molecule to another molecule. One ion moves from one molecule to another molecule. This is called displacement. In higher classes, in 9th and 10th, you will see double displacement also, children. Two ions are exchanging between two molecules. In higher classes, you will see two ions are exchanging between two molecules. That is called double displacement. This is single displacement reaction. So till now, what are the reactions we have studied, children? Till now, what are the reactions we studied, children? What are the reactions we studied? Metal plus oxygen.
Metallic
Metallic
plus
oxide.
Metal plus hydrogen.
Oxygen gives
metallic
metals plus
hydride.
water,
Metal plus
plus
water.
water gives metallic
met,
hydroxide or metal oxide
Metallic oxide plus hydride.
H2 gas.
Metal plus acid.
Salt plus H2
salt
gas,
plus
hydrogen gas.
H2,
Metal plus salt.
The displacement.
displacement
Displacement.
reaction.
Last one, children. Metal plus base. Metal plus base gives what? Salt plus hydrogen gas only, children. Metal plus base also gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Metal plus base. Okay, salt plus hydrogen gas only, children. I am writing this reactions here, children. Metal plus base gives salt plus hydrogen gas. So be very careful. Metal plus base. Okay, children. Let's see here. Metal plus base. Na. Anyways, Zn plus NaOH. You'll get Na2Zn O2 plus H2 gas. Okay, all metals won't react, children, only few metals. That's why I'm writing zinc. Aluminium also will form. This Na, aluminium plus NaOH gives NaAlO2 plus H2 gas. What is the name of this, children? Sodium zincate. This is called sodium aluminate. Do you remember, children, in cations I gave zincate and aluminate also. Zincate and aluminate I have given. Okay. Those who did not understand, again I'm showing children. Let's do with zinc. Let's do with zinc. Zinc with KOH. Zinc with NaOH. Zinc with CaOH taken twice. Zinc with MgOH taken twice. Zinc with AlOH taken thrice. Zinc with FeOH taken twice. Zinc with PbOH taken twice. Children, what you will get here, in all the cases hydrogen gas is compulsory. First one you will get, okay, first one Vedant will tell. Vedant, potassium plus zinc plus potassium hydroxide. Hey, Vedant,
Sir, I was not able to unmute, sir.
potassium plus
Potassium plus zinc.
zincate. Potassium plus
Zinc and
zincate.
H2 gas.
What is that? Potassium zincate.
Potassium zincate plus hydrogen gas.
Potassium zincate plus H2 gas. Potassium zincate plus H2 gas. Rishikesh.
Yes, sir. Um, sodium plus zincate will give
So zinc plus sodium hydroxide.
Na2 ZnO2 plus hydrogen gas.
Raghuram, zinc plus calcium hydroxide.
Sir, Ca plus 2 into Zn2 minus 2 to cancel. Sir. Calcium zincate plus hydrogen gas.
Pravalika, zinc plus magnesium hydroxide.
Mg plus 2 ZnO2 minus 2 Mg ZnO2 plus hydrogen gas.
Plus hydrogen gas. Okay. Surya,
So, aluminium plus
Sir, in Magnesium zinc then put hydrogen gas symbols.
Okay. Surya, zinc plus hydrogen hydroxide.
Uh,
Zinc plus iron hydroxide.
um,
Fe is plus 2, ZnO2 minus 2. Come on, Nana.
FeZnO2.
And here,
PbZnO2 plus hydrogen gas.
plus hydrogen gas. Okay, so balancing children. How do you do balancing? Two potassiums, one zinc, two oxygens, two hydrogens, balancing. Two sodiums, put here two sodiums, everything is balanced. One calcium, two hydrogens, two oxygens balance, one zinc balance, one magnesium, one hydrogen, two hydrogens, two oxygens balanced. Here, hydrogens, see children here, aluminiums are 2 in number, hydrogens are 6 in number, oxygens also 6 in number, zincs are 3 in number, put here zinc. Okay, it's one iron, two iron, two. One lead, one zinc, two oxygen balanced. This is aluminates, sorry, zincates. Now let's do aluminates, children. Last children, reaction aluminates. Let's do aluminates, children. Children, you are able to understand, I think. Let's do aluminates.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Al plus NaOH. Next, Al. Oh, first one is KOH, no? Yeah, Al plus NaOH. Can anyone tell what is the sequence? Al plus CaOH taken twice. Tell me the sequence, children. Next, MgOH taken twice.
Taken twice.
Al plus aluminium what? Mg then
Second OH taken.
ZnOH taken twice. Aluminium plus
Iron OH taken twice. Al plus PbOH taken twice.
so in the first case, children, you will get potassium aluminate. K is plus 1. Aluminate is minus 1. So KAlO2 plus hydrogen gas. Vedant, sodium aluminate formula.
NaOl, NaLO2 minus cancelled, NaLO2 plus hydrogen gas.
Okay, Pravalika, calcium aluminate.
Yes.
What's the formula? Calcium aluminate
Plus CaAlO2 taken twice.
plus hydrogen gas.
Plus hydrogen.
Next, Rishikesh, magnesium aluminate formula.
Sir, magnesium plus 2 aluminium aluminate MgL bracket LO sorry aluminium twice plus hydrogen gas.
Next, Raghuram, zinc aluminate. Raghuram.
Sir, I was unable to answer. ZnAlO2 taken twice plus hydrogen gas.
Surya, iron aluminate.
Sir, FeAlO2 taken twice plus hydrogen gas.
Lead aluminate. PbAlO2 take twice. So children, one Al, one potassium, two. So put here two children. Put here two, then two potassiums, two aluminiums. Is it balancing, children? Children, is it balancing? It won't balance.
Yes.
No? Two aluminiums, two potassium, four oxygens. It's coming.
Sir, I think it won't balance, sir.
If it won't balance, how like? I would say it should balance.
Maybe.
Two potassiums. Let's see here. One aluminum, one potassium, two oxygens, two hydrogens. Okay. Okay, children, let's check it. I'll check and I'll tell you. But this is the reaction, children. See, many of the reactions are not possible, children. Then why are you telling, sir? It's only for your practicing. I'm telling children. That's it. But here, this is compulsory. In 10th class, you'll study this reaction. And this reaction also used in 10th class. That's why I'm telling all reactions is only for practice, children. And balancing, I will let you know tomorrow, children. I'll send the picture. All of you see here. This is the end of metals and non-metals, children. Anyone have any doubts? Let me know.